Hey guys, welcome back. So recently I've been seeing a ton of Klondike Adventures players talking about this method that supposedly gives you unlimited gems and energy. I kept noticing comments saying it helps a lot with clearing areas, finishing quests faster, and avoiding those moments where you completely run out of energy in the middle of exploring. At first, I honestly thought it sounded way too good to be true, but after seeing so many people mention it online, I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens when you go through the whole process. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, step by step, test everything from start to finish, and then we'll jump back into Klondike Adventures together at the end to see if anything really changed on my account. The first thing I needed was my Klondike Adventures player ID, so I opened the game, went into the settings menu, and checked my profile section. The ID was actually really easy to find and only took a few seconds. After that, I copied it and kept it ready because you need it for the next part of the process. Honestly, so far, everything was super simple and pretty quick to do. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. Once I was on the site, I searched for Klondike Adventures Unlimited Gems and Energy Hack and selected it from the available list. After that, I chose my device. I'm using Android, but there was also an iPhone option there. Then I pasted my player ID into the box, checked that everything looked correct, and continued. At this point, everything was moving pretty smoothly. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was honestly the moment I was the most excited to check. After finishing the whole process, I opened Klondike Adventures again and went straight to my account to see if anything had actually changed, and almost instantly I could see the extra gems and energy already there. I didn't need to restart the game, wait for anything to load, or do any extra steps. Everything just showed up right away. Honestly, I was expecting it to take longer, so seeing it happen that fast definitely surprised me, but now you've seen the full test from beginning to end, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried something similar in Klondike Adventures, let me know down in the comments because I'm curious how it worked for other players. And if you enjoy these kinds of mobile game test videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably be testing more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.